When cutting porcelain paving with powered machinery, you must minimise any vibration. An old pallet and some rubber matting will do the job, or a bit of old carpet will work just as well as a rubber mat. Using a pencil, chalk marker or even a felt pen, measure where you need to cut the line. Make sure that you can wipe away any marks, especially on light coloured paving. Always remember the golden rule, measure twice and cut once. And use a spirit level or something with a straight edge to mark a nice straight line. First, using the cutter, score along the line. Leave the water off so that it doesn't wash away your mark. Even though you're only lightly scoring the slab, you still should wear a dust mask. And once scored, you now need to turn the water on. With the saw on low revs, bring it down and gently cut all the way through in a sweeping motion, around 50 to 75mm down one side. Walk around to the other side and repeat the cut. These two tension relieving cuts are vital and they will help to stop the slab from cracking. Now join up both cuts. Don't apply any pressure with the saw, just let the blade do all the work. Keep running the saw on low revs and with plenty of water. This will keep the dust down and will also keep the slab and the blade cool. Slowly pass the saw along the line, going slightly deeper on each pass. Just take your time and you will achieve a nice clean cut. So that's how you do the cut properly. This will show what happens when you try to do the cut too quick and without water. Without doing the first cuts that I demonstrated earlier, there's a high chance that this slab could crack at any moment. This is using the right blade, but at the same speed and using the same amount of pressure as I would if I was cutting natural stone or concrete. Plus, I'm not cutting with water to help suppress the dust and keep the blade and the slab cool. Just look at the sparks flying out from the saw. Not only is this dangerous, but it's not doing the blade any good. And it's a wonder I can see where I'm cutting with all of this dust. Well, luckily it hasn't cracked like I thought it would, but it's not a very professional finish at all. This blade is ideal for cutting natural stone or concrete paving, but it is not the right blade for cutting porcelain. It's probably the most common reason why installers struggle to cut porcelain. Again, showered with sparks, covered in dust and an even rougher finish on the edge. For more installation hints and tips, visit the website pavestone.co.uk.